Everybody stay back. This place is under our control now.
No panic, no mistakes. Follow my lead.
There it is!
30 seconds. Enough time.
One wrong move and this mall becomes history. Then don't make the wrong move.
You should have kept running. You're finished! Too slow.
I'm multitasking.
Any day now.
Patience wins wars.
You never learn.
Then let's educate them.
We had this covered. No, you had traffic.
City safe.
Until next time.